Hey guys, it's your girl Janelle coming back to you with a simple and easy way of how to tint your eyebrows at home just by using only two items. Okay? So, what we will be using today is our avatar, or avatar ear dye, which is jet black, and also my concealer brush. So only these two items, right? Also, you're gonna need a little small container to pour the dye in. Okay, so I found something I could pour the dye in. So we're gonna start off by highlighting your eyebrows. So you don't want to put too much dye on the brush because you don't want it to get messy. First, you're gonna start underneath. You don't want it to look thick and messy, so you have to do it as thinly as possible. Okay? Also, for this tinting, it will last like approximately a week if you cure it correctly. Alright? It's so hot inside here. I'm actually sweating. Normally, I don't like thick brows, so I try to do it as small to fit in my eyebrows as possible, so it won't look too weird. And yeah. Also, you don't want a lot of dye at the front, so you have to take time. Okay, so I am actually finished with this one for now, so we're gonna start with the other one. Yeah, so we're gonna start with the other one. Normally it's a bit hard for me to do this eyebrow, maybe because of the way my brows grow, but it's a bit challenging. Ensure that you get the lining first before you go over it with the dye. Normally, if I was doing my brows with the concealer and the pencil, I would be making a lot of mess. But because I'm putting a lot of patience within these brows, and I'm sweating. Ooh. Yeah, but I have to finish it though. Okay, so we're almost through. Okay, so this is the finishing touch. So what I normally do is, like for example, if I want to do my brows and go out the same time, like I'm in a hurry, um, it's gonna take a while to dry. So what I do to just get it over with is get a small piece of paper towel and just simply paste it slightly. Don't shift it or anything. You just want to take off the excess wetness of the brows. Okay, so we're going to do the same at the other side. And yeah, so you can just head out